Understanding Windows printing. The four printing components work together to process the print jobs produced by Windows applications and turn them into hard copy documents as shown in Figure 6-21. You have the workstation, it's being sent to the printer, then it goes to the printer driver, goes through the print server, and then the print device. Before you can print documents in Windows, you must install at least one printer. To install a printer in Windows, you must do the following. Select a specific manufacturer and model of print device. Specify the port or other interface the computer will use to access the print device. Supply a printer driver specifically created for that print device. When you print a document in an application, you select the printer that will be the destination for the print job. The printer is associated with a printer driver that takes the commands generated by the application and converts them into a language understood by the printer, which is called a printer control language. PCLs can be standardized, as in the case of PostScript language, or they can be proprietary languages developed by the print device manager. The printer driver enables you to configure the print job to use the various capabilities of the print device. These capabilities are typically incorporated into the printer's properties dialog box, like the one shown in Figure 6-22. Once the computer converts the print job into the appropriate PCL, it stores the job in a print queue. The print queue then sends the job to the print device when the device is ready to receive it. If there are other jobs waiting to be printed, a new job might wait in the print queue for some time. When the server sends the job to the print device, the device reads the PCL commands and produces the hard copy document. Working with printers. The printer is one of the most common external devices you find connected to a PC. But unlike most devices, you do not manage printers using the Device Manager application. Instead, you work with printers using the Printer's Control Panel or the Print Management Snap-in for Microsoft Management Console. Windows 7, like the other Windows versions, provides a great deal of flexibility in its handling and management of printers. As a client, a Windows 7 computer can have a printer directly attached to one of its ports, or it can access a printer located elsewhere on the network. Windows 7 can also function as a printer server. Windows 7 can also function as a print server, enabling other users on the network to send print jobs to the computer, which feeds them to a printer. The following sections examine the various printer functions possible with Windows 7. Understanding the Windows print architecture. Printing in the Windows environment involves a number of different roles and components, and the names used to refer to these roles and components can sometimes be confusing. You can avoid confusion by making sure that you understand the terms used for the print components and how they work together. Printing in Microsoft Windows typically involves the following four components. Print device. A print device is the actual hardware that produces hard copy documents on paper or other print media. Windows 7 supports both local print devices, which are directly attached to the computer's parallel serial, universal serial bus, or IEEE 1394 FireWire ports, or network interface print devices, which are connected to the network either directly or through another computer. Printer. A printer is the software interface through which a computer communicates with a print device. Windows 7 supports numerous interfaces, including parallel, LPT, serial, COM, USB, IEEE 1394, infrared data access, and Bluetooth ports, and network printing services such as LPR, Internet Printing Protocol, and standard TCP/IP ports. The most common misuse of the Windows printing vocabulary is the confusion of the terms printer and print device. Many sources use the term printer to refer to the printing hardware, but in Windows, the two are not equivalent. For example, you can add a printer to a Windows 7 computer without a physical print device being present. The computer can then host a printer, print server, and printer driver. These three components enable the computer to process the print jobs and store them in a print queue until the print device is actually available. Print server. A print server is a computer or standalone device that receives print jobs from clients and sends them to the print device that are either locally attached or connected to the network. Printer driver. A printer driver is a device driver that converts the print jobs generated by applications into an appropriate string of commands for a specific print device. Printer drivers are designed for a specific print device and provide applications with access to all of the print device's features.